Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Mana, acupuncture specialist, and today we shall talk about skin and beauty, a very interesting topic for most of us. If you are having any skin issue, you have to know two things. First is whereas your skin problem is a disease of your skin, which mostly you can find it out if you are carrying this problem from your childhood or just from your birth. Therefore, you need to cure the skin diseases which you are having. And the second thing is, if you're not having any skin problem as a disease, but you're having some other health conditions which is going to be shown on your skin in some type of problems, like some dark patches, some boils, some blackheads, some cysts, and many other skin problems. Also, some age factors like wrinkles, changing of the colors of the skin, and many other issues of the skin and the muscles of the face. First of all is, once you think about the beauty, you must know everything about your health. If really you want to be beautiful, you should be completely healthy. Then first step is you get a diagnosis completely and correctly to find out all known and unknown health issues which you are having, and after that you try to solve them. When you solve all your health issues, be sure that all your skin issues also are going to get solved, and you are going to have a very gorgeous skin. But in case it doesn't happen, your treatment doesn't go well, you don't be able to get the diagnosis, or you're having some problems like some burnt parts, some accident scars, or some problems like that which you think you have to get some other help, which goes for the level 2 of acupuncture treatment for the skin. In this type of acupuncture, we select a specific type of acupuncture technique to make the skin to regenerate itself. This technique is very important, and it has to be selected very correctly and very carefully. How we should know this technique is correct and is going to be helpful is the moment you do this treatment, just plain needling, I mean not a treatment which is mixed with massage, with some type of heat, with some type of steams, with some type of rays and many other things. No, this technique, it should be just technique of plain needling, puncturing, which mostly we have to use small needles or very, very fine needles that are not going to be harmful for the skin at all, and very smoothly they are going to be insert inside the skin. They are not like a regular acupuncture needle usually. However, we can use any type of acupuncture needle, but it's better that we use a specific type of needles which made for skin. Therefore, I said this acupuncture technique, which is going to be selected for specific conditions which you are having on your skin, is very important. How we know that technique got selected correctly is, from the first sitting itself, you will see the result, and it has to give the 70 to 100% result within 14 to 15 days, and it should not be continued for longer and longer time. If you are doing some technique which you are not getting this result, then that technique is not going to be worked if you do more and more. Also, the correct acupuncture technique for the skin should work within maximum 14 to 15 days and not more than that. It is more than enough for the skin to regenerate, and you will get rid of whatever problem you had on your skin, and it doesn't matter how big and how deep and how difficult conditions you had on your skin, and your skin will get back to the normal. And always remember few tips. First is you have to check all your health conditions which you are having, cure those problems, and then think about the beauty conditions which you are having. Second is you have to think more about your lungs and your large intestine, as these two organs are main organs which can support the skin, and if there is any problem with any of these two organs, your skin can show its problem much faster and deeper and more difficult to be removed from your skin. Therefore, your lungs and large intestine should be completely healthy if you are looking to have a very beautiful and nice skin. And third thing is the technique which you are selecting for your skin in case you are going to work on the skin itself. The technique and the massages generally are easy to handle and not that much difficult, but this techniques which is going to be worked on the skin are more important and more sensitive, and it has to be selected correctly. And one more thing I just wanted to remind you is you may see many photos this side that side which is talking about acupuncture worked on the skin and made them 10 years or 20 years younger. These techniques generally are not practical with the common acupuncturists, and they are very secret techniques, and they're not going to be taught in any acupuncture classes, or any acupuncture doctor who knows that is not going to teach this technique to other acupuncturists. Therefore, I don't say these techniques are not there. These type of techniques are there, but they are not techniques which everyone knows that. Yeah, these techniques are going to be used on very special people, and as I said, they're not techniques who you can learn it or someone can teach you. If you go anywhere, if you go to China, if you go to America, wherever you're going, if you go to India, if you go to any part of the world, no one is there who can teach you these techniques. They can teach you some other techniques, but among those techniques which are going to be taught, your practitioner can select the best technique which can work on your skin much better and faster, and you will get the best result after that. I hope it helps you to find out how acupuncture really works for the skin and for the beauty.